starts a video with a hot mess of a basement table full of just random stuff? I do. Hi, I'm Sam Groff of OmniBiz Services, and I'm here to talk to you about why you don't want your online course looking like my basement table after the holidays. Online courses are amazing revenue streams for multiple companies throughout the world. Now, that's fabulous. And you can be making lots of money with yours too. But if you're throwing up like that table after the holidays, you're not going to get the 5-star reviews and recurring revenue that you and your business wants. Now, what you need to start doing is really thinking about and processing what do you want to deliver in your online course. Do you want it to look like that? Or do you want it to look like my pantry? Now, my pantry is well stocked and organized so that at any point in time, I can send my kids down here to find stuff to help with dinner. So why am I coming to you from my messy basement, showing you my pantry and my cluster of a table that's a hot mess? It's not the prettiest background. Let's be real. I'm coming to you here to show you that this is not success. That is a holding pattern. It's literally a brain dump. It is literally my living room threw up on a table in my basement. My kids help a lot of the time with dealing with bringing down things after the holidays, but they don't know where to organize and put it all away. So what do? They're kids. They're 7 and 10. They throw things in the easiest place they can, the table. It's a holding pattern. But online courses are not a holding pattern. Online courses need to be strategically thought out. All of the marketers say, pre-sell your course. Heck yeah, whoop whoop, rock on. Totally agree with them. But you can't pre-sell this mess unless you plan on selling a mess. And I'm going to guarantee you something, that mess is not going to get you 5-star reviews or recurring revenue that you want in your business. How do you do that though? Well, you take some time. You get your brainchild of an idea. Woohoo! You got it. Instead of word vomiting onto your marketer, who's now going to have to help you sort through your gigantic mess, you should do it on your own first. Take some quality time to yourself and make a mind map. There's a variety of ways to do this. You can have your big idea at the center and come up with lots of little ideas. And these are literally the main points that your students, your clients, will then consume as modules or chapters or whatever platform naming they want to pick. But they are those milestones that your clients need to hurdle over to find success that they're looking for from you. So say you're not a visual mind mappy kind of person. Old school, outline. No one ever said pen to pencil wasn't a good idea when you're trying to come up with a cohesive plan of action. Because really, your marketer is going to love you a heck of a lot more if you know what you're selling. Your client is going to be more willing to put their money where their mouth is when they know what they're buying. Now, obviously, your marketer is going to come up with some fancy schmancy schnazzy way of pulling your client in with what are their pain points and all that other stuff that marketers do because they're amazing. But they can't design your course for you. You need to do that, and you need to think it through. Is that a visual representation? Helping yourself go, okay, this is my big idea, and they have to do this, and this in order to make this happen, then that's what you do. But if it's an outline, do it. Because at the end of the day, if you're delivering to your clients this gigantic mess, they're not going to purchase from you again. The know, like, and trust factor is going to be out the door. Take the time to process through the information that you want to deliver. Then fulfill your promise. That's what makes your clients want to keep coming back. When you have a solid plan, you've got a strategic manner in which you're going to get them results. The rest is a piece of cake, and the marketer puts the icing and the sprinkles on top and makes it look beautiful. So, I'm Sam Groff of Omnibiz Services, and I'm here to tell you to take those few extra minutes when you're designing your online course to actually plan it out. Woo! I look forward to talking to you again soon. Good luck, and here's hoping to a much better 2021.